Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet ﷺ said, I in dream saw that I was immigrating from Makkah Mukarramah to a land where the date palms were in profusion. So I thought it would be Yamama or Hajar, but it was Madina Munawwara called Yasrab. I saw in that very dream that I wielded the sword and its upper part broke. Its interpretation was the calamity which befell the Muslims on the day of Uhud. I then again saw the sword and it turned more beautiful than it had been before. Its interpretation is that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu conferred the Muslims the great victory, the conquest of Makkah Mukarramah, and integrity of the Muslim. In that vision, I saw a cow, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the best. Its interpretation is the believers who got martyred in the battle of Uhud. And good means the good which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted after that, and the reward of the truth which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed on us after the battle of Badr. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5893.